So, how
So
are you, ma'am?
I'm doing
And
pretty well.
literally today, I meet you. I'm very glad to know you about and so long time I tried for meeting you and you get busy at that time.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Actually, the thing is, you will relate with me being a homemaker, being a mother, and then being a tutor also. Your plate is always full. The thing is, I was
yes,
not
yes,
conducting sessions with people. To be very honest, I was not in that zone of interacting with people. So I was on a break from these sessions. So now I feel like, okay, let's give it a shot again. So
yes.
I,
I actually I followed you and on Facebook. I think your page and I follow you and I like your voice. I like your videos very much. And I am learning a lot from your videos, from your shorts. And recently, if I introduce myself, my name is Monica, and I am a YouTuber. Nowadays, I am working on my communication skills.
okay,
And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English and B.Ed honors,
okay.
and I have qualified CTET exams. Both exams are cleared with the good scores in
Mhm.
the year of 2020. And I am assistant teacher nowadays. I am giving my service as a assistant teacher in KBs. That's all about me.
Lovely, very good, very nice. And you have a lot of feathers in your cap. I would appreciate, I must appreciate you. Good job. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
what inspired you to create your channel, to go for these kind of interactive videos? Because you already work as a teacher, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
right.
Mhm.
But this is my extra hobby. And
Mhm.
last year, in the month of October, I started my YouTube channel,
Mhm.
and I felt that I have to do something different, na?
Mhm.
Like
Mhm.
because I am good in communication skills, but not as you and others, na? As a Sunita ma'am, I also follow Sunita ma'am's channel, and
Okay.
she and you are very fabulous, ma'am, and you are doing great. So really, and so I also want to improve my communication skills more and more. So
Mhm.
that's why this is the reason
Okay.
for conducting sessions like you and other YouTubers, enhancing my communication skills. And this is also need for my academic also.
Hmm.
That's why I started my channel, and I want to improve myself more and more.
Good. So
That's
how's your channel growing? And what is the name of your channel?
My channel's name is Monica Gupta,
Okay.
and yeah, and I will give you. I actually I have sent you link.
You have shared the videos also. So,
Yes.
okay, not a problem. So, Monica, tell me now, what do you want to discuss here? Is there anything specific in your mind you want to go with the topic or certain questions?
As your wish, and I want to share some questions also,
Hmm.
and you share and ask me. You can ask me different questions as you like.
Hmm.
Okay, so I would like to ask you then how much long have you working on your YouTube channel, and how can you manage your all the things, like you can take, you say you take sessions daily from English Yari also, and how do you manage all that things? Please share me.
Okay, okay. So it's been a long time. I guess it's been 4 years since I created my channel. The thing is, I wanted to create that environment. So that's how my channel came into this YouTube platform. I never thought of giving it a professional sort of look. It was just for my own practice, and I always wanted to become a teacher. I could not uh, become in that formal or that official scenario as you are a teacher. So that spark was always there. So I thought of giving it a shot. So I created my channel. I started creating my solo videos, and my teaching inspired me to create this channel. And my teaching always helped me, and it still helps me to upskill myself to learn certain new things, right? And I don't
Right.
take in sessions or shari every day. Yes, twice a week. Twice a week.
Most of the time, I
Yes, I
watch your
upload my,
video.
yes. That's the thing I told you that for a period of time I was not conducting sessions with the YouTubers or my learners or my subscribers. I was just focusing on my growth because you know what, as you are a teacher, you can understand this. With your with your students, you feel so comfortable.
Ma'am,
You
please
can.
hold 1 minute only. Now, my next question is that you described in your English RE's one session that you taught anywhere for 3 years ago, and you don't like, you have to quit from there. What is the reason? You don't like teaching in academic schools?
No,
What
no,
is the
no.
reason?
It's reason, the reason is I don't like those restrictions as a teacher. See, now I hold a master's degree in this language, okay? I'm in this field. I've been teaching people for 8 years, more than 8 years, in offline and online scenarios. The thing is, in India, in most of our schools, I'm talking about rural settings and even in cities, the approach towards this language is very impractical, very impractical. English is taught as a subject, not as a language. And this is the reason
Yes.
our students, our children have to face that struggle. Okay. Now, if I belong to Himachal, a very from a very rural setting. So our students, the students from Himachal, they are pretty good when it comes to their bookish knowledge, right? But when they have to face interviews, they have to present themselves nicely in meetings and kind of scenarios, they feel a bit demoralized or underconfident. Why? Because they are never given that exposure. Okay, they were never given that exposure during their school time. So when I joined this any school, when I joined that school, which I just mentioned, I had that notion that I would be changing the approach of teaching
Yes.
this language. Okay, but the thing is, in schools, it's more about other things. There are a lot of events you need to get ready for those events. Okay, you need to decorate a lot of display boards, this board, that board. Okay, and
Yes,
like,
unnecessary work is there. A lot
yes,
of unnecessary work. I
right.
also go
Hmm.
through for these type of things because I
Hmm.
am also working in a school. But in the KVS scenario, if I talk about this type of school, this is a
Hmm.
central school first, and it is connected to the government employees
I know,
always.
I have taught
And
in KVS also, in NCS also, Navy Children's School in
yes.
Mumbai and KVS in Mumbai itself.
Yes, but
Hmm.
there are a lot extra period also of communication skills. In
Hmm.
my school where I teach, there is a communicator, educator,
Hmm.
different educator there we can hire. Management is hiring for
Hmm.
communicator so that our children not do not face any type of
Yes.
communication skills regarding. So
Hmm.
they are teaching different methods like communication skills, like giving some extempore speech on the stage whenever their inter-house competition will be held in the
Hmm.
schools. So this type of small competitive competition in
Yes.
inter-house competition, so that they can remove their hesitation uh, to face
Hmm.
the communications, like na.
Yes, that is the thing.
Yes.
There are many schools which are taking these kind of steps to enhance children's communication skills. But you know what? I believe that if every teacher of English who teaches English, if that person adapts a particular technique towards this language, but that person can't do it alone. Okay, you need to get that permission from that administration, from the administration or from school or principal or
Yes.
your coordinators, right?
Yes, yes,
Right.
definitely.
So we focus more on completion of the syllabus. Okay, it's all about teaching them those. chapters and then
Yeah,
making
you are
them learn
right,
those
and I agree
chapters.
with your points.
Right?
Yes,
So
yes.
see,
Yeah,
if
communication, and not to only school administration focus only on the syllabus.
yes,
How by hook or by crook we have to complete the syllabus, that's all. There
that's
is
all.
no need to any polish any type of skills in the
Yes,
schools.
whether
I
children
must be
understand
agree.
or not, but yes, there should be that tick that, okay, I've done the syllabus. So that is it. Now, why do most of people have this phobia of grammar? Because we don't teach in schools, we don't teach them grammar in a very practical way. It's all about cramming those rules, those rigid rules, right? And that is the thing.
Yes, yes.
Most of people come to me, ma'am, I know all the grammatical rules, but while speaking, I make mistakes. So this is something we need to change. But the thing is, you can't do it alone. So that's how I left my job and I started teaching people online, because here I am a free bird. I am my own boss. I can experiment with my teaching as per my learners' requirements, right? And I can say proudly that. Yes, I can see that change in people now. Most of the time, I deal with students from rural setting. This is my motive. I just want to make them understand the nuances of this language. Because see, if you have that education in a posh school, you just need to polish your skills. But the real struggle is for those people who come from a Hindi medium background, who don't know the ABC of this
Right.
language, right? And who can't afford those expensive platforms. So then my work starts. I just want to
If
help
I talk
them.
about, yeah,
Mhm.
sorry to interrupt you. If
Mhm.
I talk about Hindi medium scenarios, I am also from Hindi medium, and I have faced a lot of problems in my life for
Mhm.
education, like na English, taking
Yes.
English
Yes.
things like grammar, all that things. And one more thing I want to discuss with you, that in Hindi medium schools, teachers always teaching in co translation method,
Yes.
which is not good, literally, which is not good, which is very bad, because
Hmm.
since childhood we are learning everything like na
Yes. Yes.
translation method, so it is not good in
Yes.
my eyes. In the CBSE school, if we talk about public schools, CBSE schools, their teachers and all the administration are also do this thing compulsory for the teachers. If they teach the students code translation method,
Hmm.
they will be restricted, they will be
Hmm.
restricted from this job, because
Hmm.
we are habitual, we have
Yes.
habitual like a translation, मैं राम घर
Hmm.
जाता है, like Ram
Yes.
goes
Yes.
to school. So this method is not good in my eyes.
Huh.
Or
Actually, it happens.
I have
Hmm.
passed all this type of difficulties. So I
Hmm. Hmm.
have also faced this, so I can understand. The
Yes.
teaching is
Actually,
not
yes.
good at that time.
Is when you deal with a person who doesn't understand English at all. Yes, I do take help of translation method, but I know how to deal with it, right? Now, we were taught during our school time that ta hai, te hai, it's present indefinite.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fair enough. But when it comes to कि अच्छा बारिश होगी तो मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, नहीं जाऊंगा, conditionals, okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
then we have to face problem, because बारिश होगी तो मैं जाऊंगा, हम इसको फ्यूचर में लेते हैं. If it will rain, I'll not go to school, but it is incorrect. Okay, if it rains, I'll not go to
If
school.
it,
So
if it
right,
is, if
तो
it, if it
क्योंकि
rains,
हमने
then
हिंदी में
I'll go
बोला
to school.
होगी तो फ्यूचर हो गया. एक एक चीज नहीं है,
Yes, yes.
जैसे जो फिक्स, देयर इज फिक्स शेड्यूल, राइट? सो इट इज ऑलवेज इन प्रेजेंट. द ट्रेन अराइव्स एट 7. वी यूज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि ट्रेन आएगी 7 बजे. ओके, देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. देन कम्स कंपल्शन एंड इंटेंशन सेंटेंस. मुझे कल जाना है, सो वी आर लाइक आई हैव टू गो, बट आई हैव टू गो इज जाना पड़ता है,
Yes,
मुझे
yes.
जाना पड़ता है, कल जाना पड़ेगा. I will have to go. I was telling you that there are intention sentences and compulsion. Okay, so we don't have to use have every time, and it just comes with your practice and understanding. So instead of cramming certain rules, it's better to understand this language the way we understand our first language. That should be the approach, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
yes.
So, Nak, my questions now finished, and you please you share something else. You can ask.
Monica, tell me, is there any specific challenge you face while interacting with people? You, that is there any specific challenge you face while interacting with people in terms of your English language,
Yes, yes.
spoken English? Hmm.
Yeah, when as you asked me that what kind of challenges I have faced in my learning journey. So if I talk about I have faced a little bit when I start to speak, I become little bit fumble as because lacking of practice. There is no practice of my English speaking because I have not so much time. Whenever I get time, I most of the time I like to read books and magazines, newspapers. In my school also, whenever I have my free period, and so I start to read newspaper little bit, so that I have command over
Hmm.
this language. And when I started to connect different people, YouTubers, I started to write down on my notebook, like uh, by facing the camera or one-on-one classes like you. I Sometime I fumble and I forget what type of questions I have to ask. So most of the time I have to prepare myself. I have to note down in my notebook like two or three questions and important words, phrases, and idioms, so that I this over this language I get rid of a fumble from the fumbleness, and to accurate and to correct myself whenever I make mistakes, where I make mistakes. And in the learning journey I face one of the most problem that is when I asked myself and my solo videos, i I am not fumble and I am very accurate, but whenever I interact to another people, I started to fumble, I started to forget
I got
everything
your
because
point. Got your point.
yeah,
Because
yeah,
you become so conscious that okay, this person is a YouTuber and maybe that person speaks well. What if I make a mistake, or what if I don't, I am not able to present the way I want. So just don't be so conscious. Okay, feel the rhythm
yes,
and take it easy. Don't think that anyone is going to judge you. See, now we both are interacting, so I'm not judging you, you are not judging me. It's like a mutual observation. That's it, right? So this is how we learn.
right,
Keep on practicing the way you are, okay? The way you are keeping interact more and more with people, and eventually you will see that now I am getting rid of this consciousness, and I'm not being conscious, right?
yes,
And it happens with everyone. Initially, whenever you start
yes, yes.
anything new, you feel a bit jittery.